Well, this is a turn up for the Bucks. Just caught Kevin and Kermit being in close proximity to each other without them having a massive fight. Because Kev seemed to be more interested in stealing Kermit's crest. It's interesting that they're not fighting here because they could literally, you could poke their heads through the cage. It was really cute, that was, because I popped my head over to look at them, and he was just eating the crest through the cage, whilst Kermit was just on the opposite side of the crest, looking at him as if to say, "What the hell are you doing?" Oh, he's going in to see Keely now. She's laid 2 eggs again. Her nest is insane. It's probably got about 75 zip ties in it now, because they keep adding to it, and it looks proper crazy when I take her off. And he's still trying to find zip ties to take to her. It's so cute when he does it as well, look. Very gradually places it down by her. Lets her take it so she can place it in the nest. It's really weird because it's like I'm used to seeing him being a little bit aggressive with Kermit early in the time when I had them. So when I see him like so delicate with Keely, and when they're like just always together, and it really does make you appreciate the relationships that birds have. They're all very unique creatures. And they do have an awful lot of love to give each other and their owners, I suppose.